Okay, I'm going to install the tube, the gas tube, into the gas block, my adjustable Aero Precision gas block. And I'm using a stainless steel mid-length gas tube from Aero Precision. I have a mid-length barrel. So let's get it out of the package. So here's the tube. There's the gas port. So I'm just going to insert it here, making sure that the gas port is facing down. And then I'm going to put it on my vise and insert the roll pin. And I can see you just got to line up the hole there. Maybe you can see that or not. But you got to just make sure the hole lines up and then insert it. I'm going to do that now. So what I'm using for this is I'm using my roll pin punch set, which is, I got that right there, and my tack hammer, pair of pliers I got to hold it in place, and I'm going to tap it on my vise here. Now what I really should have is I really should have a plate with a powerful magnet on it that I could rest this on. That way it's less likely that if you hit it and the pin, because you can see these things are really small, and it flies out, the odds are is that the magnet is going to catch it, versus, you know, not having one. I'm taking the risk that I'm going to lose this dang thing when it flies out, because you're never going to find that thing. So I'm going to chance it. I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to just try to be cautious with it, and we'll see how it goes. Well, I managed to put it on without losing it. This tack hammer worked really well. It's got a strong magnet on one end, flat, wider end on the other end. Worked out really well for my old upholstery days. But that's it. So that's how I put on my gas tube on. All right, next I'm installing my Aero Precision adjustable gas block. I already put the gas tube on. And there it is. Now I just have to make sure it's seated properly and torque it down. Okay. All right, I tightened down the set screws. I just slowly cranked it in and made sure that the set screw was seated into the dimple, and I felt it pop into place, and then I just tightened it up, and there it is, installed. Now when you tighten your barrel nut, keep in mind that you may have to time it so that the gas tube hole is not blocked. However, it's not as big of a deal on the enhanced M5. There's enough spacing there. Even if you didn't time it, it should go in anyway, but just keep that in mind. Some Some upper receivers, it's so tight that unless you time it exactly, you will never get the gas tube in there. So just keep that in mind. Next thing I will do is the handguard. Be sure to like and subscribe, and leave any comments in the comment section.